As the Proteas took on England in the limited overs series, Cricket South Africa, together with KFC, continued to search for future talent to potentially represent the national team. The association, through its Mini-Cricket initiative with the fast food giant, aims to encourage educators from some of the country's most remote areas to champion the development of the game in their schools. ENCA's Morena Matupi has the story.
Shivulani village in Giyani has never been one of the first places one thinks of when the discussion about the next best thing in South African cricket comes up. This is something Patrick Mabasa, a school teacher and cricket enthusiast, is hoping to change. Mabasa has been teaching and coaching cricket at Hanyanyane Primary School since 2018 and says all he wants to see is some of his kids going through the structures unabated.
We want to see a hub coach entering Hanyanyane Primary School so that that kid don't get lost, because yes, he or she is identified, but after being identified, what comes next? So we have to, is the area that is lacking.
Mabasa's passion for cricket has been felt and supported not only by the children he mentors, but by his employers at Hanyanyane.
We already from the provincial level with cricket since he came, because before that we were just playing cricket and we never went far. So since he came in, as I've indicated, that is an asset with cricket. Now they know around here, the schools around here, that they cannot compete Hanyanyane.
Education is another of Mabasa's greatest loves, and he believes it provides much needed balance to the life of a sports person.
Before we see today, we have to see tomorrow. Sport is a short career. When it died out, when it ends, players and life goes on. That's the reason why there's many of our players today are struggling, because they don't have a place to fall back on in the name of education.
The development of the game is a passion that Mabasa doesn't share alone, and it is through such initiatives like the KFC Mini-Cricket festivals that Mabasa and educators like himself will be hoping that Cricket South Africa can unearth the next Proteas superstar. Morena Matupi, Polokwane.